Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to another episode of my vlog. Today is actually Sunday, which means tomorrow is Monday and I don't like the feeling of Sundays. However, today we'll be going out to check out some Christmas shopping and we'll be hanging up a Christmas tree as well, and I thought I'll bring you guys along with me. It is currently summer in Sydney, Australia right now, so the weather is picking up. In case you guys were wondering, I am wearing this beautiful lock necklace from Ana Luisa, and if you guys haven't heard of Ana Luisa yet, definitely go check them out because they are a sustainable jewelry brand that I personally really love. They offer really beautiful trendy designs, but it doesn't come at the earth's cost. They are 100% carbon and water neutral, and what I really appreciate is that their packaging is actually 100% recyclable as well. So the box it comes in is like this cardboard box and it is recyclable, and my favorite part of their packaging is actually the cotton pouches. So with these cotton pouches you can reuse it for like other things and knickknacks in your everyday life. For example, I can put my credit cards in, I can put coins and earrings in there. I think it's so beautiful. The one I got this time is a green pouch, and honestly it complements so well with the golden jewelry that I got as well. Another necklace that I got from them is called Joy. It features this heart and a lock, and honestly it's so beautiful and dainty looking. It can complement any outfit from casual everyday to more formal. And I also got this other one that has a flower on it as well. It just looks so beautiful and artistic, so I'm very excited to wear them. So if you guys have not checked out Ana Luisa before, I would highly recommend you guys to check them out. Their pieces are high quality and beautiful and stunning and sustainable as well. And if you like a good deal like me, they're actually having the biggest sale of the year right now. If you buy one piece you get the second piece 60% off, and that is honestly amazing, so I definitely wouldn't miss out on that. If you guys would like more information about these pieces, then click on the description box down below. Make sure you go check it out. Oh my god, these are so freaking cute. Like, it's so festive and it just makes me want to like host like a dinner party straight away. This pot and pan set actually looks really good. I love how the lid is like flat, so it doesn't bulge out. Looks nice, but I don't know about the quality of this one. What is that?
Sanmamaki.
Oh my god, sushi socks. What else do we have here? Oh, fortune cookie. Hot dog, latte. Oh, this one's probably my favorite. Fries.
What about donut?
Oh, so cute. Getting hungry, so I'm gonna get some Indian food. Some butter chicken.
A garlic naan?
I also got myself a pork roll. So just got back home from shopping and we were meant to go to Kmart, but we actually didn't end up going there because we like made it to Maya and it was just an endless amount of Christmas knickknacks, and we stayed at the home section for like majority of the time, and I ended up getting a few cute plates. Alright, first up we got some plates. Actually there's not plates, these are bowls. We got some really cute bowls. Oh my god, look at this print. It looks so pretty. Like, I love how it has that, is this like a tree? It's got this tree print, but it's not overwhelming and it just feels very like sustainable food. So yeah, I'm very looking forward to making food in this. And the most anticipating one is, dun, 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 dun. I got 4 plates. I think the minimum was 4 in a box, so I couldn't get like just 2, but these plates caught my eye and I just couldn't walk away from it. These were 40% off as well, and original price was $70, so got a good bargain. Yeah. These are Jamie Oliver plates. Love it. And the thing I like about this is that it has this like kind of bowl dent in here, so I could serve soup, I could serve like, you know, pasta, I could serve meat with mash, I can serve anything really. Overall I love it. It's like in between a plate and a bowl. What would we call it? A plow. Right, so a few hours have just passed and I have been spending my time very productively actually. I was reorganizing my living room. Previously it was just felt really cramped and such a small space, even though the space is actually pretty big. But now I've made it into look like this. It just looks a lot more panoramic and bigger space, and I'm gonna put up the Christmas tree, so I thought I'd just revamp the place a little bit. I actually got really inspired when I was in Maya today, and there was just this whole Christmas display and everything was just so beautiful and rustic, and really want to replicate that in my own home. This is the space so far. So far I'm really loving it. And just need to put this rug in place, and then I'm gonna assemble the Christmas tree here. finally up, but I bought the wrong lights from Kmart. These ones shine non-stop. They're just like blinking. Might need to find new lights, but it took me so long to assemble. It took me like 30 minutes to assemble these lights, and I don't really want to take it down again. We are baking short beef ribs in here. Hong has been working really hard to get these in the oven, and I think they're going to be in here for like 2 to 3 hours. He's checking Marion's recipe because we have no tomato paste. Over here we have cauliflower with chicken fat. This is Portuguese chicken that Hong cooked for our meal prep for lunch, and yeah, this will be our carb. We're trying to be a bit healthier now. This is our dinner spread tonight. This is Hong's famous beef ribs with roasted cauliflower. Yum, and we have some red wine as well.
Wow, look at that. Nice.
Alrighty, it's been a crazy day. I am so tired. We just cleaned the whole house, including the kitchen, and now I'm just going to take a shower and start relaxing. I think I'll be spending a bit of spare time on designing my app that I want to introduce. I'll also be watching some like Netflix dramas and stuff like that, but soon take the night easy because tomorrow is a work day, and honestly Mondays are the worst day of the week for me. And I really do want to change that mentality. Like, I want to be able to switch to a career or build my own business that, you know, I don't have to feel like every Sunday night like I'm gonna get really miserable because I have work the next day. And yeah, I think it's ultimately up to us to change our own lives, and you know, if you don't like something, you got to change something about it. So yeah, I will be working on that. Cake business has been great. We are slowing down a little bit now because obviously as the lockdown has ended, demand has fallen a little bit, but also because we want to focus on other things now, and I actually want to start a different business. I want to start something that's a bit more scalable and something that can, you know, grow into a service that a lot of people can use around the world. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to check out my description box down below for a link to Ana Luisa and check out their amazing pieces. They're having a massive sale right now, so definitely don't miss out on that. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!